Hey y'all, so this is the reading for Libra. So when I was shuffling this deck, these three came out in reverse. So it was the Page of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the King of Swords. They all came out in reverse. So this looked like somebody is like real vengeful or like real jealous when it comes to like somebody is like heartless, like like they're not showing no emotion. Definitely a lack of love. And I don't even think this person is like really communicating like this, but somebody is just filled with so much hate. Yeah, about somebody's romantic relationship with somebody's family. So this got to do with somebody is jealous or something about somebody's family or romantic relationship or how charming somebody's person is. I don't know. Okay, we got the Emperor and the King, the Knight of Cups again. Yeah, somebody is trying to block this romance or block somebody from being romantic or putting like a stop to it. Somebody is mad that somebody had ended the romance. This could be like a male energy here, an emperor, this could be a husband or somebody, but this, whoever this male energy is representing here, this person is mad because they can't stop this shit. Somebody's like romantic efforts is being like blocked and they mad. Like this is what I'm getting, like their romantic efforts are being blocked and they mad. Yeah, somebody got more deeper feelings for somebody to be letting on. Yeah, or something like that. Yeah, so somebody is looking for love. Like they really searching for love. This is what they want. The Ten of Cups came out. Let me show you. Yeah. So somebody is deep down wanting love here, but something is being blocked. Well, somebody's really wanting to express like how they really feel about a family situation or something like that, or deep down they want a family or a committed situation, something here, but it's this blockage. What's this? Oh shit, hold up. Okay, Eight of Swords. So somebody up in their head. Okay, listening to gossip, trying to find out information, snooping around, investigating. Okay, it could be investigating somebody's finances or trying to see like how much money somebody got or how wealthy they are or if they got any money or if this person can provide or is this person like financially stable or suitable to like provide for a family or I mean, I'm not really kind of getting watching in pockets, but somebody could be. But the reason why there's a blockage for this romantic situation is because somebody's trying to find out, like I said, if somebody's stable, something along, if somebody, you know, can handle it, like being in a commitment or whatever the case may be, Ace of Wands, yeah. So I kind of feel like this is a very passionate connection here that somebody is sharing. Yeah, somebody is like in their mind waiting for somebody to realize that somebody is waiting for somebody to have some type of awakening or some type of realization or something. Or somebody's realizing finally somebody's realizing finally like what they're more passionate about or is waking and moving forward towards something passionately here. Okay, it could lead to like the justice system or the court system. Something that's happening here out of the blue surrounding legal issues. That could be another blockage, legal issues, and it like came out of the blue. Somebody could end up going to jail. Yeah, the blockage could be somebody is in bondage, could be in jail. So I'm getting somebody could be in jail, I'm getting legal issues that just come out of the blue. I'm getting people watching, trying to see what's going on. Like, this is all I need for the blockage. Okay, we got the High Priestess here. Somebody could be having some type of spiritual awakening, or the blockage could be the fact for somebody to have, the blockage could be for somebody to have some type of spiritual awakening. And somebody is like trying to find out like if they're awakened yet or like, what's going on. I don't know, you're getting a spiritual awakening or something like that. Yep, whoever this is, somebody repeated themselves, kept doing it. So we got Gemini, Pisces, Libra, Scorpio, Aries, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. I think I said that already. Virgo, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Somebody could be thinking about moving on or thinking about moving away from something here. Moving forward towards a fire sign. Or somebody is just thinking about moving forward towards something that is more self-fulfilling for them. Like I'm kind of getting this as somebody's like self-fulfillment. Oh yeah, somebody ready to get the fuck away. Somebody could be moving away from the fire sign. Or a fire sign could be emotionally distant or trying to distance themselves. Ooh. And then we got the Queen of Pentacles too. So this is somebody that's like passive aggressive. One of these females could be mad. It could be one of these females here is Queen of Pentacles or this Queen Fire is trying to block this connection, spying and shit. Like, this is why somebody is mad. Like, they mad at this Empress, like, moving on or, you know, finding love somewhere else. Like, they causing all kinds of, like, blockages. Like, deep down, they know that they need to be letting this Emperor go or this Emperor to fell in love, but they keep on trying to, like, stop this shit. Sometimes, like... So if somebody is connected to you, somebody that have another person, somebody is wondering, like, that's why I kept saying, like somebody is wondering, like, did this person awaken yet, or what the fuck happened, like what's going on, like, the plan could have changed or some shit. If somebody is, like, trying to figure out, like, is the plan still the same, or, like, what's going on. 7 of Wands. Yeah, somebody got a lot of heat on them, or I'm getting somebody that's, like, really proud. Oh, wow, this could be a proposal, a public proposal, yeah. So, yeah, whoever this male energy is, they could want to cover, like, this a public display of affection. Okay, that is lovely. This person would, like, tell the whole public they love you. So, yeah, this is your motherfucking person for sure. If they willing to do that, that's the ball game. But right now, things just aren't stable, or things just ain't working out in the way that this person is something is throwing this person off from doing this. So if somebody else is blocking them, that's pissed off or mad. Yeah, so we got the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles again. And we got this Queen of Pentacles and this fire sign over here. And then we got the King of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Yeah, so ending. So somebody want something in between a water sign and an earth sign. Or there's a need for something to, like, change because things is, like, unstable or balanced. Yeah, somebody need to be cut the fuck out. That somebody need to be really clear and stern, because then I say somebody here is, like, passive aggressive. No, they need to be in an aggressive mode. They need to be more in aggressive mode, because they always in this calm. They always in this calm, chill mode. You feel me? They always in this calm, chill mode. Like, something don't worry. They about to, yeah, they ready to say what they gotta say. They ready to come in and say what they gotta say, or, yeah, I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's gonna happen quick, and then somebody be able to start new. So this masculine or this male energy is, this is what I'm picking up. This is male energy, that somebody is trying to, like, stop this person from, like, you know, expressing their love or pronouncing their love in public or some shit like that. This is something that's unbalanced when this person end is blocking them. Somebody on this end is wondering, like, why the fuck am I alive? What the fuck is going on? For some, it could be, like, jail, like a real legal issue. Somebody is watching somebody's finances, their money. Like, these are all, like, different blockages that's keeping this person from coming together or doing what they have to do as far as pronouncing their love, or, you know, to whoever this is that they deal with. There's a shitload of problems. Each his own. Cupid's arrow, yeah. So somebody is ready to go and take that leap for love. But they just have some things they can clear up real quick. Yeah, ascending. So yeah, somebody is awakening. I did say like a spiritual awakening or something. So yeah, somebody is definitely ascending and awakening and realizing. So you wonder if the person is awakening. I kind of feel like they are. It's just shit that's holding them back. So they will. Yeah, we got love. How did I know this shit was gonna come out? We got love, coughing, not enough. I like you. Yeah, so I kind of feel like somebody is feeling like something is not enough. Okay, in a situation somebody's not giving it all. I don't know. Maybe it's because there's other shit that somebody else had tied down, like these blockages or whatever. But I feel like there's a need for that. You know, that could be. I feel like that could always be communicated. Okay, but it's looking like, you know, this love situation could be transforming here from a situation where somebody was feeling not enough and just like to love. Okay. Trying to see if there's anything else I need to add here. Marriage, yeah. The situation is leading to marriage. This is a married couple going through this. Yeah, somebody tried to steal something in court from the married couple. Or somebody tried to steal something in court. Oh, thief came out again in reverse. Damn, that's why I just said somebody tried to steal something in the court. But the thief came out in reverse, but I kind of feel like, I don't think that it's, what up? Oh, it's like a group of people or something? Like a community or a group of people that's like doing this shit. Oh, whoever this married couple is, they supposed to be seen as honorable or something and within the community. Poverty. Yes, poverty is affecting, well, I said that. Finances or something here is like affecting it. Oh my goodness, sudden wealth. So this, whoever this is that's in poverty here, that's been struggling, okay, whoever this is, I kind of feel like there's going to be some sudden wealth. I kind of feel like the path is going to be open, so that's the pathway that somebody need to be going towards. Okay, I kind of feel like after that is yeah, this is the opportunity. Yeah, this shit gonna change. So there's gonna be some type of opening a way to change here. Somebody's somebody gonna be in poverty no more. That's what I do know. Somebody not gonna be in poverty no more. I don't know how else to explain it. I'm just saying like that shit. And then we got family room. Spending more time with family, we have courtship. Somebody could be proposing to somebody in the living room or in a family setting or family gathering. And I say that somebody want to profess that love in front of everybody here. Distant horizons, yeah. Well, we have distant horizons, but right now it's because of whatever this is that's pulling the energy to go left. That's how you let the beat build. Let the beat build. And the beat goes boom, boom. Okay, so that could be some deception or something surrounding children. So this could be the reason why somebody is going to court. So this could be like another child's mother or something that somebody is dealing with that's mad that this person is about to move on to somebody else. Or whoever. There's going to be some deception when it comes to some type of children. So I don't know if somebody's lying to children or somebody's like lying about the children or I don't know. Okay, honeymoon. So yeah, somebody's ready to take a trip or spend some time relaxing, spending time together, wanting to spend like quality time, thinking about a getaway or a trip. Chemistry, okay, yeah. And getting it in. Somebody is thinking about booking a room or some shit, some type of getaway. And you already know what's popping off and what stays and what. Shit. And then we had paid attention to the signs. So yeah, I kind of feel like somebody need to be paying attention to the signs for when this shit ready to pop off. Yeah, deception came back out again. Wow. Hold up. True love. So somebody is trying to deceive somebody's, like, somebody is trying to deceive somebody when it comes to true love. So, like, basically trying to say, like, maybe this person that you love, like I said, people's listening to, like, information or something that's being said here or something like that, and that's like, weighing on somebody's mind or something. But I kind of feel like somebody is trying to be deceptive when it comes to this partnership, or it's just a need to, like, be aware or have your eyes open or just be on your fucking P's and Q's and shit. Okay. Let me see what this deception is about real quick. Okay, yeah, so the deception has something to do with this tower, okay, this prison or whatever. That's what I was picking up over here. I was actually picking that up over here. So, you know, with the prison. So, yeah. And this is them, you know, going to breakfast or whatever. You know. You're going along because they had, you know. So, yeah. There's something that's deceptive here when it comes to this prison energy, or somebody is being deceptive, or somebody is like being deceiving themselves and trapping themselves. Okay, I just showed you 8 of Swords. Like, I mean, this is just clarification of what I just said, but about, you know, who they truly love or who their heart belongs to, or something like that. We have this person is a good lady, you know, so whoever this is that their heart belongs to, they're a good lady. You know, it could be like anywhere between like 30, I say like 38 or high, up in age. Mostly I was getting like 40-ish or 50 or 40-ish and up, but so okay, yeah, so it's gonna be a long road ahead, so this is gonna be quite a journey, okay, for somebody, but I kind of feel like this, because it's a long road ahead, I kind of feel like, you know, the road ends, you gotta end at some point, you know, whether it's gonna be on the good side or bad side. And I kind of feel like somebody is like willing to stick it out with this person, yeah, because they're a good lady. Okay, like they are a really good lady. They willing to stick it out with this person here. Yeah, the main man. So they willing to stick it out, but stick it out with the main man. Alright, that's what I was getting. So let's go ahead and come on, bro. Come on. Okay, Aquarius, Venus. Well, we did see a lot of air sign energy here. So Leo. The Cancer Moon. Libra, Venus. Try to get a few more. Regrow this one. I just need to, on a day I need to actually sit there and do it. This be regrowed. Alright, so that's all the sharp on. Oh, did you want that food that was on the table?
I had some. What food?
No, I was talking about the food from Rashi.
I ate my food.
No, it was on the table.
This is Kamora.
Okay.
Oh, this is Kamora. I was supposed to say I ate all my food.
That's just the Libra. What should they do? Okay, you're not trying to get any of these spiritual messages today. Let's go on. Okay, just one. Okay. Oh, hold up. This Six of Swords is on the floor. But that already came out over here, so they were, yeah. That came out already, so you're seeing the Six of Swords twice. And then we got, draw near to God and he will draw near to you. Okay? And this is for James 4:8 verse. So draw near to God and he will draw near to you. So this is somebody who needs to, you know, just read James 4:8 if this resonates with you or for you. But that card is just basically saying, like, you know, God wants you to draw more nearer. We got Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Libra, Aries, Scorpio, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Libra, Venus, Cancer, Moon, Leo, Sun, Aquarius, Venus. I'm trying to get this cleaned up at the same time. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Virgo, Aries, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aries, Leo, Sag, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Alright, so this is the reading. Hopefully you guys got something from this, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, but it's not going to be the same. Sorry.